Snappa versus Canva. Two popular graphic design tool, but which one is faster and better for creating visual right now? If you are short on time, I have dropped link in the description so you can test them immediately. But if you want the full breakdown, let's dive in. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify creative tools and help you to design smarter, not harder. So who are these tools for? Snappa is designed for speed and simplicity. This is perfect for social media graphics, ads, and quick visuals without spending hours on designing. Canva is more versatile, offering templates, animation, collaboration, and a high library asset. It is great for banners, marketers, and small businesses who want all-in-one design capabilities. Now let's talk about the speed. Snappa is lightweight and fast. You can create graphics in minutes thanks to ready-made templates and a small editor. Other side, Canva has more features which can make it slightly slower for quick projects and gives you more flexibility and polish. Next thing is the templates and assets. Canva has thousands of templates, stock images, and design elements. Other side, Snappa has fewer options but keep things simple and less overwhelming for fast design. Collaboration is another factor. Canva allows team sharing, commenting, and collaborative editing. This is perfect for teams or agencies. Other side, Snappa has the basic sharing, but it's more focused on solo user or small creators. Now let's talk about the pricing. Snappa has a free plan and affordable paid options, but Canva's free plan is generous, but the pro plan unlocks the advanced feature and much higher or larger asset library. If I talk about the downside, then Snappa is simple but limited if you want advanced editing or templates. Other side, Canva can feel bloated if you only need the fast and lightweight graphics. So final verdict is, if you want speed and simplicity for quick graphic, Snappa is a winner. But if you want a versatility, collaboration, and a massive library, then Canva is the unbeatable. And this was the video for today between Canva and the Snappa. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.